Hello everyone, this is Renee, True Circle Farms. I see that you can see that we got a new water sprinkler. The other one didn't work too well, it kept falling over. So we went back to this little one and it is doing the job. It is doing a good job. You can see the mustards that's coming up on the next couple of rows are my okras that I have coming up, and then corn and squash and cucumber, watermelon, and beans. Yes, so the new one is working out better. This one is doing the job. I will have to list the name in the description because I don't know the name right offhand, but I will put it in the description. Yes. Way over there is my husband's side. I have to still move this over to his side so his side can get water in a few after I get done with my side. And then so his side can get nourishment over there. But yes, I am happy with the new sprinkler system. Thanks again for y'all watching. Please subscribe and comment. Have a blessed day.